Hey, what's up, guys? This is Justin from RC Mafia, and I have a unboxing today of some parts. Pretty excited about. So you're probably wondering what's in the box and everything, but first off, way to get this out of the way. Always remember, when handling sharp knives and other objects, please be very careful, and if you're not of age, ask your parents for permission. Okay, now that that's over with, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, let's see. And this is from my buddy Chad Lemire from RC Scale Addiction, Crawler Addiction, I think is what it is. My bad, sorry if I didn't get it completely right, but pretty sure that's what it is. So let's see what we got here. Alright. Oh. Ooh. Very nice. Oh man. Now this is awesome. I didn't even know this was coming. Check this out. Yes, RC Scale Crawler Addiction banner. Nice. Very nice. Now I'm going to have to build a little scale garage. Thanks, Chad. And some more awesome stickers or decals, whatever you'd like to call them. Now let's see. We got, first off, oh nice, this is a custom one-off bumper I had to make. I don't know if you can see it that well. Hold on, I'm going to pause it. I'm going to turn the light on, hold on. There we go, is that better? This is a custom one-off bumper that I had to make for a Honcho, SCX10 Honcho. I don't even have the rig yet, but I told him that's what I wanted. I showed him what I wanted, and he definitely did a damn good job. And this little loop you see here is for your winch hook, or you can put a tow strap through it or whatever. It's got where you can put a winch on there to drill the holes. Man, it's awesome. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh. Another one-off bumper. Similar, but different. Again, it's got the welded plate back here so you can drill your holes and put your winch and all that good stuff. Tube bumper. It's got the skid plate. It's different than the other one though. And then it's got kind of a cutout so you can see the winch, you know, kind of shielded a little bit. But man, I'm impressed. I like this a lot. Now this one I'll probably save for a Chevy body. So, nice. Thanks, Chad. I'm definitely going to be ordering some more stuff. Just gotta